just a quick one, just letting you know that we've got an OMP Evo Track Day helmet giveaway. We've got it in 3 colours, we've got yellow, black and white. All you have to do is head over to our Facebook page, react to the giveaway post and comment hashtag Tegiwa Takeover. Be quick though, because it ends on the 22nd of November. Good luck!
Hi guys, I'm Jim from Tegiwa, and today we're going to be looking at the Tegiwa Sim Rig. So we'll start with the seat. This is a Tegiwa GT style seat. See, it's winged, it's dead comfy, and they're available for purchase now. Yeah, we've only had these in for a little while, but we've been using it on this rig for as long as we've had it, and you know, we really like it. The stitching's a nice touch, and yeah, oh, it's nice. Might as well work our way sort of in, shouldn't we? Yeah. Okay, so that leads us to the wheel, sort of the bulk of all of this. So it's a bit of a hodgepodge setup. So this is an OMP Tricento 300mm steering wheel. It's suede. It actually wears quite nicely considering how much this has been used. Like you wouldn't really guess it. Like it still looks like pretty fresh. So to run this on our SW20 V3, we use a Fanatec Club Sport adapter, and what that does, if you zoom in, Spencer, look, it gives you all of the buttons of like an Xbox controller, and then if you have a look on the face, then you get all of these buttons as well. So it's basically just converting your, you know, your conventional regular steering wheel into a gaming wheel. These are all movable. It's a real nice touch. So if you're running like a Grinter, or you're running like an ND or a Vertex wheel or whatever, then these will bolt on and it'll be good. We'll say though, the PCD is 6x70. So if you want to use like an Ardy, you'll need to get like an eBay steering wheel adapter. But apart from that, no, banging. Awesome bit of kit. This goes onto a quick release, which is then bolted to our industrial motor with some coding on it. It's a SW20 V3, capable of putting out 20 Newton meters of force, which is plenty enough to snap anyone's wrists. So we try and avoid that. But yeah, this is what we've been using since the start of this, and coming from like a T300 Thrustmaster wheel. Like I've basically had Thrustmaster wheels like as long as like the 15 years I've been doing sim racing, and I was pretty sold on them, and then I use this and now everything feels really weak. But no, they're sweet. Just as a little note, we use just a little Logitech keyboard. It's fine, does the job. Like it doesn't need to do anything impressive, it just works. And then yeah, that's our little remote for our little Logitech sound system. 5.1, so we've got facade, and then we've got 5 speakers, we've got centre, right and left, and then rear, left and right as well. There we go. Yeah, no, it's plenty up for like good audio. Like it's cracking quality. I use a Logitech surround sound system at home on my racing stuff, and like it's second to none. Like you think that screens and like a good wheel is what gets you in there, but audio is such a big factor in like sim racing or just any kind of gaming really. Yeah, okay, yeah. We've got a Samsung, what was it, G9 Odyssey, 49-inch bad boy. This sort of just showed up, and it's absolutely huge. Like it's ludicrous. Like this is the only sort of monitor I think I could feel comfortable. I've been using VR for like the past probably 6 months, 7 months now, and this, like an ultra wide, feels really good comparatively. But yeah, it's a really nice bit of kit. Like I did not expect this to be as good as it is. Also, it's pretty heavy, it's pretty curved. Get a shot of the top. Look at that curve, crazy, madness. I didn't realise you'd lit up back there. Nice. Yeah, so that's bolted all to our sort of track racer and part Tegiwa frame, but we'll get to that at the end. Do that at the end. If you'll join me down here. Hi. Ignore the wire tidying. It's as good as I can be bothered to make it, or we can be bothered to make it. We'll get to the computer, but we'll talk about the Aliens Atrocity pedals. We've briefly explained these, and we've got an unboxing video of these coming up soon. But yeah, these are our Aliens Atrocity sim racing pedals. Savage bit of kit. Really give you a good workout on the brakes. Yeah, we've opted for the non-upgraded clutch on these because we've only recently started doing clutchy stuff. It's mainly GT that we do, but me and a couple of other lads here quite enjoy drifting on this as well, which is very fun. Emergency stop button, which is for the wheel. You need that if you screw up. Yeah. What else could you say about an emergency stop button, Spencer?
It stops.
It stops, yeah. Yeah, so that's there if you need it. Hopefully you don't. I would recommend you not needing it. Apart from that, like, we've got our computer, which is a sort of a Tegiwa spec'd build. Spencer can put a lovely little infographic like here, or here somewhere. Here. Yeah, so these are available from us. We've got two different builds, one that's for a slightly more tame setup, and then this one, which is geared more towards running a ultra wide monitor or triple monitors or VR, because all of that is quite intensive. So this build is way more catered to it. But no, savage bit of computer, and it's quite nice as well. Look at all the LEDs and the Tegiwa sticker. We put that there. It looks smart, Spencer. Good stuff. Right. Last of all, I suppose it's the rig itself, isn't it? So the actual sim racing setup itself is a mix between track racer. Well, I mean, it's primarily track racer actually, and then we've got our Tegiwa frame on here. But honestly, that's about it. I think we're using Tegiwa seat rails as well that come with these seats, but they're, you know, dead simple, cracking bit of kit. Or they do everything they need to do. They make the seat move, and they keep you still when you're absolutely stomping on the brakes. But no, it's for what it is. All of this is a savage bit of kit, and you know, we've really enjoyed having. We used to have two little sim setups, some pretty basic ones comparatively, and having one master sim setup is incredible. Like, this definitely gets some use on it, and yeah, I think a lot of us are just happy that we can screw around playing video games at work again when we're off hours. So finally. But yeah, so that's about it really. You can find all of this apart from the Fanatec Club Sport adapter on the Tegiwa website, on the Logitech stuff as well. But yeah, it's all available on the Tegiwa website. You can find a nice breakdown of all of this probably in the description. I'm gonna put all the specs in there. It's not like that's what I like to see. But yeah, so I don't know. That's it really. Thank you for watching. As always, check out the Tegiwa website if you're after parts. We've got merch. Yeah, that's about it really. Ta.
Ta-da!